a local African village community. People doing business, normal life in African village. Welcome to Africa, Tororo, Uganda. This is how people live on a day-to-day basis. Welcome to Africa, Uganda. Walking around the market area on a normal day, normal market day area, and that's what's happening in Uganda, Africa. I like the way life is different in different communities every day, in different parts of the world. Look how sunny and hot it is. I can tell you guys it's super hot today. Unbelievable, it's a scorcher. Whereas in other parts of the world, it's different. I'm just enjoying the vibe here in this village community, local African community. Look at all these clothes here, people are selling all types of clothes, second hand obviously. All this area here is clothing area, and right here shoes, sandals, food items. Welcome to Uganda on a normal day. People going about their business. It's Big Japa, by the way. That's my name, Big Japa. Taking you everywhere in the world, all corners of the world, different lifestyles, different everything. Check out Africa, Uganda, village life. Look at those tiny pineapples, tiny onions, watermelons, jackfruits, fish over there. Very, very hot day in Uganda. It's so hot, I can tell you. I'm sweating profusely.
Mamonika kota ngingitoi. Wamito jamiama within municipality amawachia mukijo.
Kenya masu na kaini.
Kosa la paprika pesa moro.
Pesa moro mabela kota.
Magija. Namara Queen. Namara go on the community way.
Hey. You will look at
Like a day. I'm in both woods.
Men are bad, eh? Okay. So we're buying African local brew. Hey, mama So yeah, this is the lady selling us the local drink. Yeah. So yeah, we're just walking around the village in Uganda, checking out the area, village life in Africa, and yeah, it is what it is. Seeing different people, different communities, what's going on in the world. It is Big Japa, as always, taking you different places in the world, different lifestyles. And right here, this is Uganda.
How much?
Yeah, this is how we get down in Africa, village life. Look, grandma is feeding chicken. Hirang ni teman. Hey. Yeah. Kozinga or Musimu.
But when you are stupid,
Yes.
if you are bright,
Yeah.
game over.